like to point out our youngest daughter gave this nice needlepoint where it's the Pennsylvania Railroad car, but the message is really below. It says the journey is greater than the destination. When you're on your rail car, unlike flying and everybody's in a hurry to get to the destination, a rail car is about the journey, about seeing life, going through the various cities. And that's basically the message there. If the train is delayed, doesn't matter, because you're on a train. Many of you may recognize this. This is a rotary dial telephone. It's amazing, the young people that come on board have no idea how to use a rotary dial phone. They keep putting their finger inside, thinking there's a button behind there. But it's not quite that simple. You put your finger in, rotate it around to the finger stop, and let go. And that sends pulses down the telephone line so that they know what number you want to dial, unlike today's push buttons. What's unique about this, I have 3 of them on board this particular car. I have it hooked into the cell phone system. I can send and receive cell phone calls using a rotary dial phone. Now listen for the ring. That's an unusual ring. People don't recognize that as a ring. Would you like to answer that? It may be for you.
Yes, hello.
Hello, welcome to the Francis L Suter.
Well, it sure does work.
See?
All right.
And likewise, you can dial any phone number, be it landline or cellular, and you'll be connected to it right away. We are in Suite A of the rail car. This would be for the top executive of the operating Pennsylvania Railroad. You can see he has a nice big bed, the nice picture on the wall, and space is premium in a rail car similar to an RV. So every little spot has a designated usage. He includes, he has his own private shower and sink and toilet. Okay, you're looking at Suite B on the rail car. This would be for the secretary to the operating officer. You can see it's made up as daytime, where the benches are pulled together with a mattress and Pullman, appropriate Pullman blanket. During the daytime, those benches would be apart, a table would go in the middle, and the secretary could type up the executive's notes, and they switch them off at the next station stop. There's also a bunk overhead, and also a door to the shared shower that's in Suite A. You're looking at the bathroom in Suite B. As typical of rail cars and recreation vehicles, you utilize every space possible. And there are 4 bathrooms on this rail car. As you can see, shelves are high up for the blankets, so that provides additional storage. This is bathroom 3 of 4. This is what we call the public bathroom because it's in the hallway, and anybody on board is welcome to use it, as opposed to the private bathrooms that are associated with Suite A, B, and the crew quarters. So you're looking at the bar area of the rail car. Behind the black doors, I'll point to them, is a combination washer and dryer. So if we need to do linens and such while we're on the road, we can continue to do the wash. In this particular drawer is the solution for any railroad problem that you might come across. It's all in one place. Let me show it to you. It's important to have plenty of spares on hand when you're on the railroad. We're in the galley or kitchen area of the rail car. As you can see, it has plenty of spices. There's pots and pans for the chef, all sizes. It also includes a full-size oven, a 4-burner range, 4-slice toaster, a microwave, toaster oven, and convection oven. Just about everything you would need to serve any meal that you want. We also have an attachment that goes on top of 2 of the burners so that you can grill steaks. There's plenty of storage, as I mentioned before, in any RV or rail car. You have to take advantage of everything. On your left are several cabinets and storage areas for additional equipment. We can grill waffles, grill steaks, and have pancakes, whatever the executive would like to have.